were you aware, gusto ko tong question na to. Were you aware that you went viral after being shown during Beanie's Grand Beanieverse? How did you feel na people got curious about you? Doon muna tayo sa, were you aware? Tsaka how did you feel?
Siguro yung kinabukasan ng post, biglang ang daming nagme-message sa akin. Pati yung mga kaibigan na ka-close ko na ilang buwan na kami hindi nag-uusap, na parang, pogi natin bro ha. Yung mga hirit na gano'n.
Kinakantsawan ka ng friends mo.
Kinakantsawan ko. So, when I saw it, I was like, ang dami na palang views nito. So, syempre, I was surprised. I really didn't expect it. And nagulat nga ako when I was shown on the monitor of the Jumbotron. Medyo kinabahan ako ng konti. But of course, right, when people react that way and biglang nagte-trending yung isang post tungkol sa'yo, it's nakakakilig siya, honestly. Parang, I don't know how I'll be able to get used to it. It's very flattering na nakakakilig na ewan, you know. So, to whoever supported that, thank you so much.
Sino nag-post nun? Thank you daw. Oo. Pero I'm sure yun nga, nakakakilig and nakakalma. Kasi di ba kasi alam mong ito yung days leading up to your launch eh. And you don't know how people will receive you, how people will react. And then that happened. Di ba? So parang, it's such a good sign.
Super touching talaga.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Yes. Okay, ito yung next part ng tanong. Did you find the concert? And, who is your bias sa Beanie?
Okay, first part of that question.
Okay, dun muna tayo.
I love the performance. I watched day 1 and day 3. So, andun po ako for immersion. Yeah, and when I watched them day 1 and day 3, I was just in awe. Because unang-una, ang dami po nilang mga blooms na in-inspire. There's so many people who, you know, their lives have been touched in a positive way because of Beanie. So, in that way, even myself, I was inspired. And as performers, wala talaga po akong masasabing masama. As in, to all the Beanie members, galing niyo po, grabe. One number lang po niyan siguro, di ko na kaya, mapapagod na po ako. Kaya ang dami yung number, grabe. So, you guys are amazing. Congratulations again. Good luck.
And ito na, yung tanong niya, who is your bias sa Beanie?
Siyempre naman po, I like all of them, di ba? Di
Okay.
naman po ako pwede pumili ng isa lang. Kasi, of course, I root for all of their collective success. Tapos baka naman mamaya po dyan, if I choose a bias, baka naman may magtatampo na ibang mga blooms dyan. So, my honest opinion is, I love and support them all as a group. And individually, I think they're all talented. I think they're all amazing performers. And they'll all find their own identity along the way.
Yes. So, isa pong OT8, si Robbie Jaworski. All 8 members ng Beanie ang kanyang bias. But, eto na lang, sa mga naghihintay ng interaction ni Robbie with Beanie, I think you did something naman with them. So, abangan niyo yan. Oo. After the concert, they did something together. So, abangan po natin yan. Okay. And, ito pala, Robbie, I actually have news for you. Di ba, shinout out mo yung nag-post ng video mo? Thank you. Actually, nandito siya.
No way.
Si Christy Hotohot and Jason Remorosa. Sila yung nag-post at nandito sila! Hello po! Where are you? Ay, ayun! Hi! Yes, hello po! Oo, sila pala.
Nice to meet you po. Salamat po sa suporta. I'm very touched and honored.
At dahil sa'yo ha, narinig mo naman, kinilig si Robbie. Kinilig siya dahil doon. Thank you! Thank you, thank you.